check on them.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back
He's working
to the
and
channel.
whatnot.
Today I have a dog, and her name is Demi. She's a really big girl. She's well trained, actually, and I'm really excited because I have a dog. And let's get to the thing. I need to tell you what my password is. So if you watch, my password is 7068. Lots of change. You might not see it, but keep it in. And I'm really good at YouTube, especially with my dinosaur, Lexi. Say hi. Hold on. Need to place down at the camera. Hi, guys. My name is Rexy. The last name is Rexy Rex. I like playing with the dog over here, actually. It's actually at Uncle Andy's house, my neighbors, and he said you could take Demi, but you can't take Josie because she's not trained. She won't come back, but Demi is fully trained and she'll come back. So that's why. So that's killing my video, yo. 1 minute. Oh my god. Like, I like recording a video. If you never knew, I do love. Okay. In a minute, I'm going to change my voice. And people are going to know what my voice actually sounds like.
Suitcase in the back. I'm just trying to clean. Jersey, you should go back home too, bud. I have to just be over here. Grandma said we can have your birthday party at her house.
And I am back. I couldn't find how I changed my voice. I actually took it off. But I couldn't find the one, so I forgot. So, bye. Dog. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the dog. Bye-bye, dog.